Our central service facility handles over 11,000 instruments per year, providing expert service, maintenance and repairs. We support customers with detachable, portable instruments or any that can be easily shipped, helping keep their equipment properly maintained and delivering precise measurements.
Hello and welcome to our service center, Europe here in Dusseldorf. We, as Hach, we are very proud of our service provided by our technicians on the customer side, but we are also proud of our central service here in Germany, Dusseldorf. Let's have a look around.
We serve customers across Europe, supporting both those on a service plan and anyone needing one-off support.
In the rare case your instrument is broken, we can fix it here. All of our technicians are experts. They are factory trained, and you can be sure that your instrument is treated by a specialist.
Servicing your instruments is essential for extending their life and ensuring accurate results. What sets our service center apart is not just our part replacements, cleaning and calibrations. We also conduct deep inspections to identify and prevent potential future issues.
That's the added value Hach service brings to you.
If you're interested in a Hach service plan or simply need your instruments serviced, please contact your local sales representative to explore your options.